Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use AI to create your own fill in the blanks question. This is of course a question from the beginning of the Duolingo English test where you have 20 seconds to complete an unfinished word. Just so we remember what this looks like, let's take a look at a quick example from the Duolingo English test practice hub. So you see here we've got a word in a sentence and just over half the letters are missing. So with its unconventional architecture and whimsical colors, the architecture's work is often described as weird. Is it? Yeah, captivating. Let's try. Yes, we got that right. So you can see how that works there. There's just one incomplete word in the sentence. Just over half the letters, or exactly half the letters, will be missing. So let's take a look at how we can use AI to generate our own examples. Okay, I have ChatGPT open here. I'm going to copy and paste a prompt. This prompt I will include in the video description. So I'll go through some parts of the prompt and explain where this came from. But before that, the important parts are the bits in the square brackets. So first we need to say how many sentences we want the AI to produce. I'm going to say 10, and we're going to choose a reading level for this. I'm going to say B2. Remember, fill in the blanks is one of the adaptive questions on the Duolingo English test. So different test takers will get different questions depending on their reading level. I've specified some genres here. So the sentences could come from textbooks, literature, news, personal writing, or communication. And then I have got some rather detailed description of how the AI can work out how many letters to remove from each word. This bit is quite complicated, and I found without this, the AI will delete the wrong number of letters. Okay, so let's enter this and see what we get. All right, so it's starting off by giving us these 10 sentences that we've asked for, and you can see here that there's a variety of literary sentences like the sun dipped below the horizon, painting the sky a deep orange, and other things like news. The local council announced plans to improve public transportation next year. And then underneath this, we have some of the, what would you call it, calculation to figure out both which words to delete and then how many letters of that. And then you can see for each of these, it's given us a final sentence. So the sun dipped below the HOR, and then we've got 4 blanks, painting the sky a deep orange. All right, and so you can see there that's managed to do that correctly. It's got 50% of the letters missing, rounded up to the nearest number. We've got the same for this one here from a textbook, etc. So there we go. We've got 10 sentences now that we could use to practice fill in the blanks with our own students in class. I hope you found that useful. If you did, let us know in the comments below this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next video.